Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Us. I'm Emma, and I'm so excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Harry. We're thrilled you're joining us for another episode. Today is going to be super special because we're focusing on something everyone needs, simple and easy daily life sentences that you can use every single day.
That's right. Whether you're at home, at school, at work, shopping, eating out, or just chatting with friends, we've got you covered. These are real sentences that native speakers use all the time.
And the best part? They're simple, practical, and easy to remember. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into learning English the fun and natural way.
Before we start, I just want to say, don't worry about making mistakes. Learning a language is a journey, and every sentence you practice brings you one step closer to fluency.
Absolutely. Now let's begin with the very first thing most of us do every day, waking up.
Home, Part 1, Morning Routine. So Harry, tell me, how do you usually feel when you wake up in the morning?
Honestly, the first thing I always say is, I'm still sleepy, or just 5 more minutes, please.
Oh, I totally relate. I think everyone feels that way, especially on Monday mornings. But let's learn some useful morning sentences that you can use right when you wake up.
Great idea. Here we go. I just woke up. I'm still in bed. I need to get up now. Time to start the day. I slept really well last night.
Those are perfect. And here are a few more. What time is it? I'm running late. Let me turn off the alarm. I had a strange dream last night. I need coffee immediately.
Ha, that last one is definitely me. Now, after waking up, we usually go to the bathroom, right?
Yes, here are some common bathroom sentences. Let me brush my teeth. I'm going to take a shower. The water is too cold. Where's my toothbrush? Can you pass me the towel? I need to wash my face.
And don't forget these ones. I'm shaving today. I need to comb my hair. Do we have any shampoo left? The mirror is foggy. I'll be out in 5 minutes.
These are such everyday sentences, but they're so important. When you use them every morning, your brain starts thinking in English naturally.
Exactly. Now, after getting fresh, it's time to get dressed. Here are some useful sentences. What should I wear today? I need to iron my shirt. Where are my socks? These jeans are too tight. I love this outfit. I can't find my shoes.
That last one happens to me all the time. And here's a tip for our listeners. Try describing what you're wearing in English. For example, today I'm wearing a blue shirt and black pants.
That's a great exercise. It helps you practice colors, clothes, and sentence structure all at once.
Coffee, Part 2, Breakfast time. All right, now we're dressed and ready. Next up, the kitchen for breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. So what do you usually say at breakfast, Emma?
Well, the first thing I say is, I'm so hungry, or what's for breakfast today?
Me too. Here are more common breakfast sentences. Can I have some toast, please? Pass me the butter. This coffee smells amazing. I'll make some eggs. Do we have any jam? I like my tea with milk and sugar.
And if you're cooking, you might say, I'm scrambling some eggs. The bread is in the toaster. Can you pour me some juice? This cereal is crunchy. I'm frying some bacon. Breakfast is almost ready.
Now I'm getting hungry. Let's add a few more. This tastes delicious. Can I have another cup of tea? I'm full now. This pancake is fluffy. I prefer waffles over pancakes.
These sentences are so natural and easy. Let's repeat a few slowly for our listeners to practice pronunciation.
Good idea. Repeat after us. What's for breakfast today?
Can I have some toast, please?
This coffee smells amazing.
Breakfast is ready. Perfect. Keep practicing these every morning and soon they'll become automatic.
And remember, it's okay to speak slowly at first. Clarity is more important than speed.
Edit. Part 3. Getting ready for school or work. Now that we've had breakfast, it's time to head out. Whether you're going to school, work, or just running errands, here are some useful sentences.
Let's start with getting ready to leave. I'm getting ready for school. Where's my backpack? I can't find my keys. Did you see my wallet? Let me grab my phone. I'm almost ready.
And when you're leaving the house, let's go. We're going to be late. Lock the door, please. Did you turn off the lights? I forgot something inside. Wait for me.
Now, when you arrive at work or school, here are some common greetings. Good morning, everyone. How's your day going? Did you have a good weekend? I'm glad to be here. Let's get started.
At work, you might also say, I have a meeting at 10. Can we discuss this project? I'll send you an email. I need to finish this report. Let's have lunch together. I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
And at school, what's our first class? Do we have homework today? I forgot my notebook. Can I borrow a pen? The teacher is coming. Let's study together after school.
These are super practical. Even if you're not a student or working in an office, you can adapt these sentences to fit your daily life.
Absolutely. The key is to practice them regularly so they become part of your natural speech.
Edit. Part 4. Around the house. Now let's talk about sentences you use when you're at home during the day.
Great. Here are some common household sentences. Close the door, please. Turn off the light. The TV is too loud. Can you lower the volume? Open the window. It's hot. I'm cleaning my room.
If you're doing chores, you might say, I'm sweeping the floor. The floor is dirty. I'll mop it later. I'm doing the laundry. Can you help me fold the clothes? Let's vacuum the living room.
And in the kitchen, I'm washing the dishes. The sink is full. Can you dry these plates? I'm organizing the fridge. We need to buy groceries. I'm taking out the trash.
Here are some more general household sentences. Where's the remote control? I'm watering the plants. The doorbell is ringing. Someone's at the door. Can you answer the phone? I'm fixing the broken chair.
When you use English around the house, even when you're alone, your brain starts to think in English automatically.
That's such an important point. You don't need a conversation partner to practice, just describe what you're doing as you do it. Coffee. Part 5. Shopping time.
All right, now let's imagine we're going shopping. This is a great opportunity to practice English in real-life situations.
I love shopping. Let's start with some sentences you can use when you enter a store. Hello, I'm just looking around. Can you help me find something? Where's the electronics section? I'm looking for a gift. Do you have this in stock?
When you're browsing, you might say, How much is this? That's too expensive. Do you have a sale today? Can I try this on? Where's the fitting room? Do you have this in a different color?
And when you're ready to buy, I'll take this one. Can you gift wrap it? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay by cash? Do you have a bag? Can I have the receipt, please?
At the grocery store, you might need these as well. Where can I find the milk? Is this organic? How fresh is this bread? I need a shopping cart. Where's the checkout? This item is damaged.
And always remember polite phrases. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Excuse me.
Does it contain nuts? I'm allergic to seafood.
When ordering, I'd like to order the pasta, please.
Can I have the chicken salad? I'll have the soup to start. What sides come with this? Can I get this without onions? I'll have the same thing.
During the meal,
This looks delicious. Can I have some water, please? This is too salty. This is perfectly cooked. Can we get some napkins? Excuse me, we need more bread. And when you're finished,
that was amazing.
I'm so full. Can I get the bill, please? We'd like to pay separately. Can I pay with card? Keep the change.
And always remember to say,
Thank you for the meal. Everything was wonderful. We'll definitely come back. These sentences are perfect for practicing polite English and building confidence in public. Let's move on to casual conversations with friends.
this is where English gets really fun and natural. When you meet a friend, you can say,
Hey, long time no see. How have you been? What's new with you? I've missed you so much. You look great today.
during conversation, really, that's interesting. Tell me more. I can't believe it. That's amazing. No way.
You're kidding.
Are you serious?
Making plans. Let's grab a coffee. Want to watch a movie? How about dinner tomorrow? Are you free this weekend? Let's meet at 6 p.m. I'll text you the address.
Reacting to stories. Oh my gosh,
That's hilarious.
that sounds tough. I'm so happy for you. That must have been hard. You handled that well.
Ending the conversation. I have to go now. Let's catch up soon. Talk to you later. Take care. See you around. Using the phone.
Phone conversations can be tricky, so let's practice some common phrases.
When answering.
Hello?
Who is calling, please? May I ask who's speaking? Hold on a second. Let me get him or her for you.
When calling someone, hi, is this Emma? Can I speak to Harry, please? I'm calling about the meeting. Is this a good time to talk? Sorry to bother you.
During the call.
Can you hear me? The connection is bad. You're breaking up. Let me call you back. Can you speak louder? Sorry, can you repeat that?
Ending the call. Thanks for calling. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
As the day winds down, here are some evening sentences.
I'm home. How was your day? I'm so tired. Let's have dinner. What should we eat tonight?
During dinner, this smells delicious. Can you pass the salt?
I'm starving. This tastes great. I'm full now. After dinner, let's watch some TV. I need to relax. I'm going to take a shower. I have to finish some work. Let's go for a walk.
Before bed, I'm going to bed now.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Sweet well. See you tomorrow. Weather small talk. Weather is a great topic for small talk. It's so hot today. It's freezing outside. It's raining heavily. What beautiful weather. It's cloudy today. I think it'll rain later.
More weather sentences. Don't forget your umbrella. I love this cool breeze. The sun is shining. It's so humid today. I hope it doesn't snow.
Traveling and going out. When traveling or going out, you can say,
Where are you going? I'm going to the mall. Let's take a taxi.
how far is it? It's 10 minutes away. Can you show me the way? I'm lost. Is this the right direction? Text sentences. My phone is charging. The internet is slow. I can't log in. Send me the link. I'll check my email. The app isn't working. Can you hear me on the call?
Expressing feelings. I'm so happy. I feel tired. I'm excited about this. I'm proud of you. Don't worry, it'll be fine. I'm feeling great today.
Quick practice challenge. Now repeat after us. I woke up early.
I brushed my teeth.
I had breakfast.
I'm going to work.
I'm tired but happy.
Let's watch a movie.
Good night. Outro.
That's all for today's extended episode.
We covered so many useful sentences, morning routines, meals, shopping, friends, phone calls, and more.
Practice these every day and you'll see amazing progress.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks for learning with us.
Bye-bye.